Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to present this Gypsy folding scooter by EV Rider. Now if you're looking for something a little smaller, something extremely compact when folded, this is your scooter. Its overall length when folded is only 25 inches, its width is 16.5 inches, and its height is only 11 inches. It's got a load capacity of up to 250 pounds, top speed of 4 miles per hour, and a driving range of 6.3 miles per charge. It also only weighs altogether only 37 pounds, and if you take this battery pack out, it only weighs 33 pounds. Now let's go ahead and take it out and test drive and see what else it can do. And now is the time to regain your mobility independence with this Gypsy folding scooter by EV Rider. Call today and receive free shipping. 1-800-431-3183 or visit us at AutoMobilityStore.com.